My name is Mark Wiggins. My company is Pavement Restoration. We're based here in Texas and we work in Texas, Colorado and Arizona, running a fleet of street sweepers for our road construction business. And we initially approached Caster Concepts because we needed a reliable caster wheel that was going to work on our sweepers and provide us a good life cycle in terms of wear and tear. We had been trying other caster wheels and we just weren't getting the life that we required out of them. Factory prices were way out of control, so we approached Caster Concepts and they provided us with the spec that we needed, and we have since been using their caster wheels on all of our sweepers, and we've noticed probably double the lifespan with these new sweepers, and we've just had very good service in terms of just specking the wheels with the right product, the right steel bodies, treads, etc., to get the most extended life out of the wheels. So ongoing, we go through a bunch of these things, and we're saving ourselves a lot of money, so we appreciate the efforts of Caster Concepts and coming back to us and specking the right wheel for our units. Thank you.